A penny for your thoughts. Asking someone to share their thoughts or opinions. You seem lost in thought. A penny for your thoughts? Actions speak louder than words. What a person does is more important than what they say. He keeps promising to help, but actions speak louder than words. Beat around the bush. Avoiding direct or clear communication. Stop beating around the bush and just tell me the truth. Bite the bullet. Facing a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. She had to bite the bullet and apologize for her mistake. Break a leg. Good luck. Break a leg in your performance tonight. Caught between a rock and a hard place. Facing a difficult decision with no ideal options. He's caught between a rock and a hard place, deciding whether to accept the job offer. Cry over spilled milk. Regretting something that has already happened and cannot be changed. There's no use crying over spilled milk. Let's find a solution. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Don't rely on something before it happens. She's already planning her victory speech, but she shouldn't count her chickens before they hatch. Every cloud has a silver lining. There's something positive in every difficult situation. Even though she lost her job, she found a better opportunity. Every cloud has a silver lining. Hit the nail on the head. Accurately identifying or describing something. John hit the nail on the head with his analysis of the problem. In hot water. In trouble or facing difficulties. He's in hot water after breaking the vase. Jump on the bandwagon. Joining a popular trend or adopting a popular opinion. Many people are jumping on the bandwagon and trying the latest diet. Keep your fingers crossed. Hoping for good luck or success. I have a job interview tomorrow. Keep your fingers crossed for me. Let the cat out of the bag. Revealing a secret. She accidentally let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. No pain, no gain. You need to work hard and endure difficulties to achieve success. She knows that to become a professional dancer, no pain, no gain. On thin ice. In a risky or precarious situation. After missing so many deadlines, he's on thin ice with his boss. Piece of cake. Something that is very easy to do. The math problem was a piece of cake for her. Put all your eggs in one basket. Relying completely on one plan or course of action. Investing all your money in one stock is like putting all your eggs in one basket. Take it with a grain of salt. Be skeptical or not fully believe something. He tends to exaggerate, so take his stories with a grain of salt. You can't judge a book by its cover. You can't judge someone or something by appearance alone. He may look tough, but you can't judge a book by its cover. He's actually very kind.